Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jackie and on my channel I try to come up with quick, easy and delicious recipes. So today's going to be a keto friendly recipe. I'm making sausage wrapped in lettuce and it is so delicious. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned for the recipe. I'm starting with chopping up half of a red onion, 1 clove of garlic that I'm going to dice as thinly as I can, 1 small piece of ginger that I'm going to grater, and it's going to give me about 1 teaspoon. And 2 scallions that I'm going to chop up. And this is a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I'm just going to mix this together. And then I'm adding a dash of salt and pepper and mixing again, and I'm just going to put this aside for now. So I have here 2 sausages that I've already cooked and chopped up, and now I'm just going to cut them into even smaller pieces. So I finished cutting up the sausages, and now I'm just going to get my pan ready to cook all of this. I have my stove on medium heat, and I'm adding some olive oil, and then I'm going to add the onions, garlic, and ginger to the pan, and I'm going to cook this for about 1 minute. Now in goes the sausage, and because it's already cooked, I'm really just warming them up. Oh, it smells so good already. I'm adding just a dash of black pepper, cayenne pepper, and about a 1/2 tablespoon of liquid soy seasoning, and you can use soya sauce instead. And now I'm adding the cornstarch mixture. And lastly, the scallions. I'm going to cook this on medium-low for about 3 more minutes. I don't want the scallions to get too soft because I want a bit of a crunch from them. This is done, so I'm going to turn off the stove and get the lettuce prepared. I'm going to use this frilly lettuce because I think it's really pretty, but you can also use romaine lettuce instead. I'm going to separate each leaf, wash them, and dry them. Okay, so everything's ready, and I'm going to assemble these wraps. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of the sausage mixture to the lettuce leaf, and I'm going to put it on one side so it's easier to roll them up. So I'm going to take my time and roll this up slowly. And yes, some of the sausage might fall out, but that's okay. Using a toothpick to hold it together will definitely help. So I'll continue making these wraps, and I'm just going to take my time and roll just to make sure that most of the sausage stays in the wrap. This wrap is a great keto-friendly or low-carb lunch idea, and it's such a great refreshing wrap to have during the summertime. I was able to make 6 wraps, which is going to be a great lunch for about 2 people, maybe 3. And if any of the sausages fall out, it's okay, just stuff them back in. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. Until next time, take care.